Guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and like the video, support your boy. So let's get to the video. So today we'll be doing this cool animation with just pure CSS. Okay, it's an over effect. When you over on the image, it changes the image. Okay, you can see it changes the image. All right, so let's get started. Okay guys, so I already created an empty Vite React app. Okay, I'll be using React for this, though we won't be doing any functionality, just pure CSS. If you don't know React, you can basically use your normal HTML and CSS. Okay, all right, so let's go to the browser and see what we have now. So this is what we have in the browser. Okay, so if you are familiar with React, you know we should clear all this stuff. But if you are not using React, don't bother. Just you can just use your CSS and HTML. Okay, so let me quickly clear this. All right, okay, let's just say turn a div. Hello. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, so it's working. So let's start the project. So in the JSX file, let's create a div with a class name of container. All right, and that div, the class name wrapper. Okay, so create the first image. Let's wrap the image inside a div. Let's give the class name of image1. All right, then let's an image tag. Okay, okay, so I have some images in the public folder. Okay, you can use any image you want. This is just an example. Okay, but if you need this particular image, if you need these particular images, I will put the link to the GitHub below. All right, so let's continue. So I will say slash images one web p. Okay, let's say 421. All right, so let's duplicate this. Let's copy this and paste it under. All right, for the second image, let's say image2. All right, let's change this one to 2 and this to 2. Okay, all right, so let's see what we have so far in the browser. Okay, so it's not looking good, but let's tile it. Okay, let's go to the app.css, clear all these things. Okay, so let's set the margin 0, padding 0, box sizing for that box. Okay, and let's start the container div. Let's say display of flex, align items center, justify content center, width of 100, view width. Okay, then overflow hidden. All right, so what we're just doing is just to place the image at the center of the page. We see it right now when I'm done. So let's say let's give the image, let's give both images, image 1 and image 2. Let's give it a size. Let's reduce the size so we can see it clearly. All right, let's say height of 400 pixels. width of 400 pixels. Okay, oh sorry, let's save that. Let's see what we have. Okay, it's not looking good right now. Okay, let's type the image itself. Okay, this is just the div. So the image inside the div, let's say width 100%, height of 100%. Okay, then object fit cover. Okay, so you can see the images are at the center of the page. All right, so let's continue. So now next thing is, let's style the wrapper. Okay, let's give it a position of relative. Okay, I will show you what I want to do now. I'll show you. All right, then we're going to style the second image so it will be on top of the first image. Okay, so that's why we give the wrapper and a position relative, so we can position this absolute for the wrapper. Okay, all right, so let's continue. Let's say image 2, that's the second image. Position absolute top 0, left 0. Okay, so let's see what we have now. Okay, you can see it is on top of the image. Okay, so now we don't want it to show initially. Okay, so we remove the opacity. So let's say opacity of 0. Okay, so you can see it's no more there. So now for us to show it, we are going to say dot image, okay, over. That is when you over the image, then let the opacity be 1. All right, so let's see. You can see it's working, but right now there's no animation. Okay, it's just plain. So let's put a transition property so it will transition in and it will look better. All right, so here we say transition transition all points, let's say 5 seconds, is. All right, okay, so you can see it's smooth, transitioning perfectly, and it looks better now. So that's basically everything about the video. I hope you understand, and I will put the link to the full code below so you can see, and please subscribe and like the video if you like the video. Okay, I will see you next time. Thank you.